Hey, my name is Juan, and I'm going to show you how to make a simple cell phone bicycle mount. So let's get started. You'll be needing a cell phone belt clip holster. I prefer one that rotates 360, so you have the option of viewing it vertical or horizontal. You will be needing a piece of Velcro that goes between the handlebar stem and the belt clip. And you will be needing a 3/4 inch steel hose clamp, and all you need is a flat screwdriver to tighten it. You want to put the belt clip on a handlebar stem that has a flat surface, and if the belt clip doesn't fit, then you should use a white wax pencil to mark the part you want to cut out. And you want to use a hacksaw to cut it. Now you want to use your steel hose clamp to secure the cell phone belt clip. After you tighten the steel clamp securely, then you want to use some snips to cut the extra. And also don't forget to use a file to file down those sharp edges. I'm happy with this cell phone bike mount. It was easy to make and secure. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and ride safe.